the video. Today we got an unboxing. It's been a little bit since I posted an unboxing or a video in general. But today we got something a little special. I don't really see many of these on YouTube about them doing an unboxing, but today I got one going. Jump. We got little airbags out. What? There you go. It's wiggly. I'm one-handed, people. Just give me a minute. My assistants will open this for me. My assistants. There it is. This is the Gopro Hero 7 in silver. We got this one off Amazon for $199, I believe it was. If I can get the damn... One second. $169 it was. Hold on, people. And we're back. Oh, shit. Oh, look at this. It has a nice weight to it. This is my very first one I've ever actually had. This one actually already has a case on it too, so. But it didn't say what it was coming with. It just showed the GoPro Silver itself. And then there's a little box too. Ow. Here's a little box. Charger, I believe. So we got a charger. We got a mount. And we got another. So we got two different mounts. That's pretty cool. And this one looks like it has a ready to go mount attachment to it as well. Let's see, is it charged? It's the power button. Turn on, people. First turn on. Ooh. There's a bunch of air bubbles in this screen. My hairy leg. Jesus Christ. Focus. Touchscreen. Oh shit, it's touchscreen. That's pretty cool. Gray. Okay, so that's when the app instructions come in. So I would have to stop the video to do that real quick. So give me a second and I will be right back.